Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Learning Math Skills with Kashif. So today this is the second lecture of your topic, and what is your topic? Your topic is this sign. You know what is this sign? You are very much familiar now. That is a percentage. So in the previous lecture of percentage, we did find the percentage. We convert the fraction form or decimal form into the percentage form, and similarly we convert the percentage into decimal and fractions. So now you are very much familiar with the percentage. So if you look around, you go to the grocery store or any super mall or any superstore, you oftenly saw there are 50% discount on this item, the 70% discount, the flat 60% discount. So how can you find the actual value if the percentage discount is given to you? So that's why that's the topic we will discuss today. And in the other topic is that is how the percentage increase and decrease, how you find the values when the percentage are increasing or decreasing. So first just look how easy it is to find the calculator. Suppose you go to to buy a shirt and there is a 30% discount. There is a 30% discount and the total price of the shirt, that is, suppose that is rupees 700. So how you find how much discount you got? What will be actual price you have to pay after 30% discount? So it's very easy. In the previous lecture, as you learn, when you have to remove the percentage sign, we always divide with the 100. And what is the total value of the shirt? That is 700. So these two zeros cuts with this 20. What will be your answer? Your answer is 210. So it means your total you have to pay that 700 minus 210, means that is your total discount you will got on rupees 700 when there is a 30% discount. So in this way you can easily calculate the original value what you have to pay. So now start our we will going to start our exercise questions and some practice now questions for today's lecture. So now in these questions, in question number 5, you have to find the value of 50% of $70. So it's very easy. What you will have to do, simply when we remove the percentage sign, we always divide with the 100. 50 divided by 100 into 70, right? So it's very easy calculation. You can multiply or divide. As I told in the previous lecture, every student has his own method to calculate the values. So it's up to you which method you will found easy. 0 cancels with 0, 0 cancels with 0. It's very easy. So your answer is $35. That is 50% of the 70. So next one is 80% of 4.5 meter. So what we have to do, we will remove the sign of percentage, that is 80 into 100 multiplied by 4.5. Now here we can solve it as it is. In other way, that you can remove the sign of a decimal sign from here, and when we removing decimal sign there is a 10 in the fraction form. It's up to you how you will solve it. We can solve it as it is, that is in decimal form, because the calculation is very easy. Cut 0 with 0 at the table of 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now you can multiply and then divide by the 5. The other way is it can be cancelled. 9 5s are 45. So first we will multiply. 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, and that is 18.0, and divided by 5. Now divided it by 0. You can divide it by mentally or you can divide it by long division if you feel any kind of difficulty. So 5 3s are 15. What we get in remainder, that is 3 5 6 are 30. So your answer remains in decimals, that is 3.6 meter. So the next question is, there are 20 boys and 18 girls in a class. Find the percentage of boys and percentage of the girls. Means we have to find how many percentage of boys are there in the class. Actual strength is given to you. So 20 boys and 18 girls. So it means what will be the total strength of the class? That is 38. So first we will find total students in the class. That is 38. 20 plus 18. So now we have to find the out of 38 how many percentage of boys. How many boys are there? 20. So it's very easy. That is 20 divided by total number of students of the class, and we are going to find the percentage. So it means we have to multiply with the 100. Here we are removing the percentage, so we divide with the 100. So into 100. So now you can simplify it. It's up to you. That is 10 twos are and 19s. So there no further division. That is 1000 over 19. You can leave your answers in mixed number. You can leave your answer in decimal form. It's up to you. So make a division. Long division. 19 fives are 95. What is the remainder? That is 50. 19 twos are 38. What is remainder? That is 12. So 52, 12 over 19 percentage of boys are there in the class. Similarly, we will find the percentage of girls. How many total girls? That is 18. So 18 over 38 into 100. You can simplify. 9 twos are 18 and 19 twos are 38. So 9 into 100, that is 900 divided by 19. So also divide this and write your answers in the mixed number like this one, right? You can do it easily. So we will move to the next topic. So our next question is, there are 120 cars in a car park. Given that 30% of them are blue. 30% of them are blue out of 120 cars. Find the cars which are not blue, right? 30% means, so 30% are blue cars. So it means what are the cars that are not blue? That is simple, 70%. So there are two ways to solve these questions. The easiest way is that first we will find the number of blue cars. So what are the total cars? That is 120. And what is the blue cars? That is 30%. So just find the first blue cars. How you will find? We are going to remove this sign. So 30 over 100 multiplied by what are the total number of cars? That is 120. So very easy. Cut 0, cut 0, cut 0. So there are 36 blue cars in this car park. The remaining cars are not blue. So cars are not blue. We will subtract 120 minus 36. So you will get your answer. That is 84. So in this way you can get your answer. The other way is that 30% are blue cars. So it means 70% are not the blue cars. So we can solve it. Not blue cars are 70%. So it means when you remove this one, 70 over 100 into 120. 0 cuts, 0 cuts, 0 cuts, and 12 sevens are 84. So in both cases we have the same answers. So it's up to you which method you will find easy. So adopt that, right? So come to the next topic now. So next question, question number 8. It's a long question, so I write only the data of the questions. So you can read the statement. John Wayne is a bus driver and his earning is $1,600. And out of his $1,600, he donated $1,200, right? And his manager Lixon earning is $6,800, and he donated to a charity fund that is $4,500. So we have to tell that whose percentage of sharing or charity the dollars is more. Is either than John Wayne John V sharing is greater or Lixon's sharing is greater. So simply we have to find their percentage of charity. So what he donated? He donated 1200, and what is his total amount? That is 1600. So what will be his charity percentage? So we will write simply here charity percentage of John V. What is he donated or charited? That is 1200, and his total amount is 1600. So we will simplify, find the percentage, and when we are going to find the percentage, we have to multiply with the 100. Similarly, we will find the Lixon's charity or donation percentage. What he donated? He donated 4500, and his total earning or salary is $68, and we are going to find its percentage. So we will multiply with the 100. Now you can simplify this question, that is cut 20 with 20, and you can divide it by 1200 divided by 16. You can simplify at the table of 4. You will get 300 divided by 4. Further division, you will get 150 over 2. So further division you can, it's very easy, that is 75%. Means John V charited or donated 75% of his total income. So now we will see how much percentage Lixon. Again cut this one. So 4500 divided by 68. So divided by 2. Simplify on the 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10, and 0 divided by 34. Further division by the table of 2, और you can simplify it by the long division. आप इसको long division के साथ भी solve कर सकते हैं. 1125 divided by 17. So you can divide it now. 1125 divided by 17. 17 6 are 102. So what we get here? 10 5 again 102. So 3. So it means he donated 66, 3 over 17 percentage, and John V donated 75%, and his manager donated 66%. So who donated more? That is John V donated more. So that is your exact answer. So that's all from this exercise. Now we will move to the next topic, that is what is increase or decrease a percentage in any value. So first we will take the concepts of increasing or decreasing the percentage by a simple example. So let's start. So now there are two questions in front of you. One is increasing the percentage, the other was related to decrease in the percentage. So there are two methods to solve these questions. First we will say this question, what percentage of increase? The percentage of increase is 35%. Means if the value is, original value is 100, how much increase is that? That is 35%. So if we add the 35 in 100, what we get? 135. And what is your original percentage? That is 100. And you have to find the value of 60. So 135 over 60. 135 over 100 multiplied by 60. By solving this, we will get the new value. You can write here new value. So simplify this one. What we get? It cuts with this one. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 27, 3s are 81 is your new value, increasing the 60 by 35%. Okay. Similarly, we have to solve this question in this way, but here we have the decrease in the value. How much decrease? 45. What is your original value? So after decreasing, we will get our new value, that is Out of 100, how much percentage decrease? That is 45. So when you subtract 45 from the 100, what we get? We get 55. So it means 55 over original value, that is 100 out of 100. And we have to find the value of 120. So you can simplify it. It cuts 6 2s are, 5 2s are, and 5 11s are, 11 6 are 66. Means decrease the value of 125 by 45%. Your answer is 66. So what is the other way to solve this question? We find the 35% of 60. We will find the 35% of 60 as we did in the previous question. Means 35% of 60, right? So it means when we are going to remove this sign, we will divide by the 100. 35 over 100 multiplied by 60. So what we get? Cuts with 0, 7 5s are, and 2 5s are, 2 3s are. What we get? We get 21. Now what is here? Increase 60. Okay, increase means we will add 21 in the 60. So your new value is 60 plus 21, that is 81. So your answer is the same. Either method you will use. You will use this method. You will use this method. Similarly, we will solve this question. First, we will find the 45% of 120. Then we will add. Then we will subtract because there is a decrease. What value we get? We will subtract from the 120. We will get our answer 66. So it's up to you which method you will use to solve these questions. Both methods are very easy. So come to the next question. So in this question, 20% of a number is 17. Find the number. Means 20% is given to you. In the previous question, 100% is given to you, and you have to find some percentage from that value. In this question, 20% of a number is 17. Find the number. Means we have to find the total number of what number is 20% is 17. So we will use unitary method for this question. It's a very easy method. Simply write the statement as it is one. Means 20% of a number, that is 17. So what will be the 1%? You will write here 1% of a number. What you will do? You will do 17 divided by 20, right? So now we have to find the 100%. We have to find the original value. So you will write here 100% of the number. So what you will do? 17 divided by 20 multiplied by 100. So you will get your answer. It's very easy. 21s are 20, 25s are 100, 17 5s are, that is 85. So your answer is 85. Means 20% of 85 is 17. Means we have to find the original value. So whenever we are going to find the original value, we will use unitary method. That is much easier than other method. So come to the next. We will practice some more questions of this method. So next question almost the similar in the previous question, that 175% of a number is 49. Find the number. Again we have to find the original number. So similar method we will use. 175% of the number, that is 49. So what we have to do now? As we did in the previous question, 1% of this number. So 1% of the number, that is 49 divided by 175. So we have to find the 100% of the number. So you just write here 100% of the number, that is 49 over 175 into 100. Okay, now you can simplify this with the table of 5 20s are, and here we get 5 3s are and 5 5s are. Table of 7 7 7s are, 7 5s are, 5 4s are. So your answer is your answer is only 28. So 170% of this number is 49. I hope you understand. So now come to the next part of these questions. So now two questions in front of you. What is the difference between these two questions? The result of a number when increased. The result of a number when increased 15% is 161. Find the number. Again we have to find the original value, right? In this question, the result of a number when decreased. In this question there is an increase in the percentage. In this question there is a decrease in the percentage. When there is an increase in the percentage, we will add 15 in the 100%, and when there is a decrease, we will subtract from the 100. So what will be the new percentage? That is 115. It means 115% is 161. You will write here 115% of a number, that is 161. So what will be the next step? Yes, you know, 1% of a number, that is 161 over 115. So what we have to find? We find the 100% of the number. 100% of a number. 161 over 115 into 100. You can simplify and got your answer. What we get here? Decreased by 20. So it means 100 minus 20, 80. Means 80% is 192. You will write here 80% of the number, that is 192. So what will be the next one? You know it very well. 1% of the number, that is 192 over 80. And what you have to find? You have to find the 100% of the number. So 192 over 80 into 100. You can simplify this. You can simplify this and get your answer. You can do it easily. So I hope you understand today's concepts and questions. That's all for today. In next lecture, inshallah, we will do some more words problem for this chapter, and inshallah we will wind up this topic. So I hope you understand. Do practice these sums at your home, and at the end, like, share and subscribe my channel, Learning Math Skills with Kashif. Assalamu alaikum.